Mine?
Okay. I'm going ahead and clear out this headlight. I just got done using P500 grit sandpaper. I used it on my drill. See that? Don't look hazy like that. Next, I'll be using the P800 dry sand. All right, this is how it look after doing the P800. Next step is gonna be wet sand with 3000. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my neighbor's AC unit. See how it look? All right, let's go ahead and go to the 300, well, 3000 grit. Okay, this is how it look after the 3000 grit wet sand. Next stage will be put the rubbing compound with a compounding pad. All right, it look hazy right now, but that's fine. You'll see how it come out afterwards. We'll be back after the compound. Sorry I can't record me actually doing it, but I don't have my stand right now. I have to hold my phone, and I can't hold the drill in one phone because you know the drill vibrates and all of that stuff. So that's why I'm doing it while I'm not on the phone, and then I come back and show you guys how it look after. Okay, this is after the compound. By the way, y'all, I did this with the 3M headlight restoration kit. I normally don't use or follow the pattern that was provided in the kit, but I just wanted to try it out. I think the way that I normally do it, the lenses would have came out much clearer, but not bad, you know, not bad. All right, that is it. Okay, I did a second, did compound second time. It's not bad, y'all. That actually came out good.